guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. So don't forget, if you want to enter the giveaway, put the pictures here for you. It is the Emily Edit the Wants and the Needs palette. I'll leave the link down below, so check it out after you've watched this video. So today it's all about Cohorted. Cohorted is a monthly, I'd say it's like upmarket kind of subscription box. It has like beauty and makeup items, things for your hair, face, makeup, as I said. It is a little bit pricier. I think it's just under £40 per month. I just got this one box for now. I want to see what's inside, see whether I want to commit to getting this monthly or not. I don't know, it's a lot of money, isn't it? A lot of money. I will say that the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. You do get a sleeve on it, pull off, and then there is a beautiful, beautiful box that I'll probably keep actually. I'm struggling to get rid of it. Okay, so inside there are some leaflets that you get. There is a beautiful glossy book, which I'm assuming will have product information. Looks like it. This is the January edition 2020. Stunning. Box wrapped up in paper with a sticker of Cohorted on the front. Even the paper is really good quality. And inside are your goodies. I don't want to drop anything out of there. Also, it's quite a heavy box actually. Okay, looks gorgeous. So let's have a look at this book. So the first item I see is a product called Sachet. I can't pronounce it. I have no idea how to say that. What is it? This is the product here. Okay, so this is a hair repair. It's intensive hair treatment, perfect for damaged or stressed hair. Now I'm trying to get my hair a little bit lighter. I do it slowly. I don't want to be like putting loads and loads of bleach on it. I do tend just to put a bleach bath on my hair, but I have noticed that my ends are a little tiny bit dry, but I am getting a little bit of a trim on Monday, so I'll hopefully get rid of that. But I will probably use this while I am lifting my hair to a lighter colour. Okay, so thanks to the long lasting effect and ultra frizz reduction, your hair can be managed with a silky shine and a healthy look. How to use: massage into wet washed hair, allow 5 to 10 minutes to work its magic, then rinse well. Let's have a little smell. Ooh, it smells nice. It's just like a thick conditioner. That's beautiful. That really, really does smell lovely. Very nice. Okay, first product. That is a 100ml bottle, and it has a recommended of £12 for that. Okay. Then we have, oh, I know a lot of you know about this. I didn't know about this until I started doing YouTube. Everyone goes crazy. This is the brand Avant. Pro Perfecting Collagen Touche Clar Primer. It's 30ml size bottle. Recommended is £85. I don't care how much money I have. I do not feel like I would pay £85 for that. The product works by hydrating and mattifying skin, improving skin texture and nourishing the skin underneath, as well as softening and protecting your complexion. How to use: after applying moisturizer, apply the primer using gentle circular motions to allow to dry completely before starting your makeup routine. I'm not going to open it because I do have one on the go, but I'm sure you guys are very familiar with this. We tend to get them in some of our monthly boxes. Okay, next item we have is, ooh, very sophisticated. So it's this. This is Show Beauty. This is a Premier Streisand spray. It's worth £30 and it's an award winner. The product contains a wide variety of botanical extracts including aloe vera, mango, kiwi, ginger, which helps to contribute to the conditioned shiny hair. How to use: spray lightly through styled hair, concentrating on the roots by lifting strands and spraying underneath. For added all over volume, spray lightly through mid-length strands. Top tip: apply on damp hair and allow to dry naturally overnight for tousled beach waves in the morning, which is actually probably how I would use this. This looks so like posh. This would look lovely in a bathroom just on display. I don't know if you can appreciate how beautiful just the lid is. It's absolutely stunning. So just give it a little spray and it smells lovely. I would say there's maybe a hint of hairspray type smell in there as well. Maybe. Okay, look forward to that. Next we have Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, recommended £15. It is obviously this. Okay, start the new year, turn the heat up with this £10 collection of dangerously hot, fiery eyeshadows. Use alone or layered for a range of sizzling eye makeup looks, featuring shades of glycerin rose and rusty metallic red to vibrant oranges, dark chocolate hose, super pigmented with creamy consistency. The eyeshadows glide on and blend effortlessly for an endless array of eye-catching looks. So this is the box it comes in. It's obviously got the famous Jaclyn Hill signature, and on the back we have Jaclyn Hill there. So I'd like to know where you can purchase a Jaclyn Hill palette for £15 from. And just to show you, this is the book with the colours in, which do look actually very, very beautiful. Okay, so the colours, as you can see, are pretty cool, pretty stunning. You do get a little mirror inside there as well. I'll just swatch some of these because this is something I would definitely keep. Wow. These are stunning. Guys, look at that. That's actually stunning. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. They're all cute. They're all nice, to be fair. I like that. Like that a lot. So that's the shimmer ones. Let's do a couple of the regular matte. Again, gorgeous. And that's them there. Nice, nice palette. Very, very, very pretty. Don't own a Jaclyn Hill palette, so I'm very pleased with that. Very pleased with that. Right, okay, next we have, this is Baby, which will be this. This is a natural lip balm plumper. It's a 10ml size, recommended £9. The lip balm that actually moistens your lips and helps enhance their shape. At the same time, the plumper has a thick and creamy texture that restores and protects very dry lips with a kick of peppermint and capsicum to plump while smelling minty fresh and leaving lips super glossy and smooth. Key ingredients are shea butter, grapeseed oil, carnauba wax, peppermint and capsicum essential oils. How to use: apply to dry lips throughout the day. Can also be worn on top of lipsticks for a glossy effect. Let's have a look. I do like the packaging. The box inside is gorgeous. You can see that. And this is the product. Oh, it's not actually coming out, guys. I know it said in there it's thick and creamy. I'm just wondering if there's some sort of seal on there, because I can't seem to get that out. I can't make out whether there's a seal on it or not. It just has a round circle in there, so to me that looks like it should come out, but I do feel like there's something stopping it from coming out. So unfortunately I can't show you what that looks like, but I'm sure it'll be very good. Okay. What's next? Next we have Gold Gel Lip Mask. That's this. As you can see, you get the gold famous lip there. Hydrogel Lip Mask is deeply hydrating, moisturising, leaving your lips feeling smooth and soft. Designed to form the shape of your lips, the hydrogel formula locks in moisture and maximises absorption of the precious essence. The perfect product to use at the start and end of your beauty regime. How to use: apply lip mask onto clean lips, leave mask on for 10 to 20 minutes, remove the mask and gently massage residue into your lips. No need to rinse. Okay, so I'll give that a go. Right, there's one more product left. I think this is, when I signed up for Cohorted, there was an option of a free gift, which I believe is this. I haven't got any details on it. I can tell you it's by Too Faced. It looks like it's some sort of primal, poreless face primer. Okay. I don't own anything by Too Faced either, so there's a couple of products here that I've never owned before. Okay, so it comes out in a, like a, I don't know, beigey colour. It rubs in amazingly well. Wow, it feels so soft. I'm reckoning that maybe this has got some sort of silicone in it, which not a lot of people like. It doesn't bother me, to be fair. So that is a freebie. I don't know how much it's worth or what it's worth. Okay, so as discussed, the whole box was $39.99, I think. They're saying that the box value this month is a whopping £154.50. So what's that a value? Taking off your subscription, about £114, I guess. Okay, I'm quite pleased with it. Will I get it again? I'm not sure. I do feel like £40 to pay out for a box of items. You have no idea what you're going to get. It's okay if, I mean, most of this I will definitely use, but I would take to pay out £40 and think, oh my God, I don't like any of it. So I guess like any beauty box, it is a gamble. Are you willing to take that gamble? I'll have a think about it and may order it again. I'm just not 100% sure. The whole box is worth it just for this magic cream. Right, that's it for now. Don't forget to hit that link down below. Go and look at the giveaway and leave your comments down below. Do you think that Cohorted and these products are worth £40 a month? Please do leave your comments. I do appreciate it, and I will answer you as soon as I can. Until I speak to you again, take care of yourselves and each other. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.